Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we are going to be fixing the fittings on the power steering. So this is our remote power steering reservoir, and the fittings to the hoses below it seem to always be wet. So we're gonna try and change out the fittings. We think that they may have put the wrong ones in at the time of installation. So we've got these fittings right here. There are 3/8 NPT that will be changed out. So let's get to it. Okay, so there are 2 Allen key bolts right here that we're gonna undo. And because of how or where those are located, the plan is to get the reservoir down through there. So it's 2 of these, and then there's 1 bolt holding the hoses right there. And hopefully it won't be too difficult once we get it up on the lift. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. How many times do I have to tell myself this? I don't think this is the right size. Yeah, this is not the right size. Oh, right. That is not the right size either. Oh, yes it is. I'm just silly. All right. Very tight. Lefty loose. Okay. All right, so this is gonna take me forever. So I'll see you in a second. So plans changed, as they always do. So this bracket right here has set screws, and we don't want to take it off and change the position. So we're going to pull it up, and it's gonna be a 2-person job while one's holding and one's taking off these nuts. So that we will come back to. This is actually a billet reservoir made by CVF. So if you would like one, that's what you need to look for. As you can see, there's no not transmission fluid, that was silly. No power steering fluid, because it's all pouring out of the bottom. So we did the right thing. This is the place it is leaking, and we will be right back to show you how to put the fittings in. Reservoir is out. Now we are going to take the fittings. Oh, wait, hold on. Right, left. Okay, here we go. Okay. This one. Oh, sorry, loose. All right. Now we're gonna place the new ones in after we clean it off. My hands are slippery. And we'll come right back after we get them tightened. Fittings are in. So this is a -10 and this is a -6. So the -10 is the supply line, -6 is the return. Now we're gonna go put them back in with the hoses, which again is gonna be a 2-person job since we gotta hold it up. So we'll be back. Hoses are reconnected, so that went fairly easy. Now just to put it back in, it's these 2 Allen bolts and then the 1 bolt to keep the hoses in. Okay. All right, and I will be back when these are finished. All right. Nuts and bolts are in. Now, time to pour some power steering fluid in, and it should go. I can't see. Let me climb up. Okay, a little bit farther. Oh. That should be good. We're doing it a little bit lower just to make sure it's not just leaking. And then put the cap back on and we're all set. That was a shorter video than I thought it was gonna be since I had to do a bunch of it off camera, but it is done. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I did something wrong because we're not quite sure. It's because they were about the same fittings. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next week.